you're having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on digital marketing steps for beginners. And if you're new to the channel, I would like uh, check out a couple of my other videos as I do give a lot of content on tips on how you can use and apply these tips and be very successful in your digital marketing space. So, digital marketing steps for beginners. The first step that you should take is to find a great web hosting company, as this is very important for your online business and your online marketing. Because if you don't have a great web host, it can hurt all of your business. And you can go to there's great places like SiteGround, Bluehost, uh, let me see, One and One, or there's plenty of web hosting companies that you could use. I would prefer SiteGround, HostGator, anyone except GoDaddy, because GoDaddy does not offer a free SSL certificate. Their customer service sucks, and they you would do better going with HostGator. But HostGator is who I go with, who I recommend, because number one, they offer a free SSL certificate, which is very important in your online business, as without an SSL certificate on your site, it will hurt your business huge. I mean, you could lose lots of business, because what's going to happen is either Google going to ignore your site, or when people come to your site, it's going to be flashing a red screen, and you don't want that, because you want people to come to your site, want to get to know you. And step two is to do more research around the product or service that you offer locally as well as internationally, unless you just sell uh, to a local area, which is a great way to get your brand and your product known. Market to your local area first. Even if you have to set up your YouTube account, do a couple of videos, and optimize them in the local search. It is a totally different monster optimizing for a local search, as is everybody nowadays is trying to go international with their products, so they could drive brand awareness, and doing things local as well as international. I would say optimize heavily and hard for local searches, so that way the people in your own backyard get to know you. When you go out and do some offline marketing, trade shows, events, or anything like that, people already kind of know about your business and be more willing to do business with you, because takes anywhere from 7 to 12 basis points for a person to make a sale online. And if you're new to online marketing, this is great for you to know, because you can't just post your stuff out there and put it on Facebook and get all your friends to come, because as entrepreneurs or online entrepreneurs, it's not always your friends that buy from you. It is total complete strangers that trust in you, your brand, or like what it is you do. And step number three, you should be willing to set aside, because a little change every week, anywhere from $10 to $15 to run Facebook ads from your business page. Why? You want to set a small budget aside to do Facebook ads as a part of driving brand awareness to your company, to your service, because it will help people get to know you, get more people to follow you, and more people to like your product. Or for those that do like your product, they will, you know, interact with you, engage with you. There's not It's not a hard thing to get likes and people that like your service or product through Facebook. It's a great way to drive brand awareness, which is the first thing that we want to do before we trying to start sell people. We have to drive brand awareness to get people to know who we are, what we do. And if you would like more tips or you like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you have a great day, and I will be shooting another video very soon. Thank you.